Okay, good day, Works. Today we are working on a locksmith part. We are working on a W204 AIS. We are gonna make program the emulator, which is a bypass for the steering lock. This is the original steering lock for Mercedes. They normally use this, most Mercedes. So this one and this and this one and this one, these are the aftermarket ones. So normally what happens, there's a motor like this inside there, so it's having the brushes. So normally this thing fails. That's why now if you put the key, you don't get the sound from this thing, and then doesn't also unlock the steering because of what, the smaller motor that fails. Some people, they will say just hit it sometimes and you are lucky it will unlock, because now meaning what you do, you just give a shock on this smaller motor that will maybe give you few turns, then you can drive the car, but that doesn't mean you solve the problem. Okay, but I hardly get cars with the faulty PC board of the steering lock, but mostly is this motor. So yeah, this one is another type, is aftermarket one, even if it looks like that one in a plastic form. Then this is another one, but this one's for another shape of Mercedes. We used to have this one long time, but it's an old one, you can see. Then we have this one. I'm gonna use this one today. Yes. So what do you need to have to prepare this the file for the new emulator to be programmed to the car? You need the ignition of the car, or EIS, and the working key of that car. So what I did already, I already read the information of the EIS, which is this one, and then I already read the key file. But if you read the key file, you might see this thing, sometimes it becomes blue or green, that color, I don't know, yeah. Then you can just press here, it will give you a password here. So if it's not highlighted like this, simply means the key is original, is encrypted. So but yeah, you can still get information from the key through the EIS. You don't have to sniff it with the sniffer, but I'll show that one. Where is it? Somewhere here. So yeah, we come to the password portion. I already did the copy files from the key. So what I'll do, I'll just upload. This is what I normally do. Let me go back. I normally save the file like this. I say okay, then I click here, we load the file, then we calculate the file, the password. It said okay, upload data successful. We say okay, then we query the result. We just press here again, then it will give us password. Okay, it's done. Password calculating success is fine. So I click okay, here's our password. Then I normally copy the password and I go to where I saved most of my files, and under CGMB is fine. Let's look for Kenny. Then what I do, I'll just open a new text document, and then I'm gonna name it pass. I'm gonna name it password. So it's a password. Then you can see I double click it, then I save it here. It's for future because you have to keep track of your clients. So now let's go back to our program. So let's go to the EIS. There's our password. So what do you do? We save the file now. We save the file under, I'll do, let's go, say this one. Yeah, it's fine like this. So the file, okay, it's fine, it's saved successfully. Then what do we do? We go to, okay, let me plug our, okay, we're gonna plug our emulator to light to show that the power is there. There we go. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna put the cover when I'm done. Where is the EIS? There we go. You can read it to see if we are getting. It's a K line is this, so you can see it's flagging red. So yeah, we are reading it. It's fine. Let me just say erase the EIS. Okay, it's fine. We don't need that anyway. Let's go and write the EIS. We say load the file. We're gonna use that file. Remember, this file is containing the data of the EIS and the password. So what do you do? We're gonna upload that file, as you can see here. Then you're gonna write it. So then you say okay. It's gonna make a sound, or it will flick. There it's flicking. It's flicking. It's receiving data. Then it's saying write ELV success. You say okay. so it's fine, it's green. Now for us to test that if everything's fine, but normally I'll show you that portion. We have to can put the key in, it will light green. Take the key out, it's red, then it will light green if you put the key again, which is accepting the key. Okay, so I'm using my phone, then you can see. So now I can send this steering lock or the emulator anywhere around the world. I know it's working, but there's another way you can check it. You can come to this ELV simulator. Yeah, so yeah, that is that about the bypassing or the writing of the emulator to bypass the original steering lock using the CGMB. Thank you. Can you share, like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, 4K and Works. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Okay, so I'm using my phone.